For more information, check the links below and go to SmokyMountainStarlight.com. Well, we just had a week of snow and it's still here. But guess what? I'm going swimming. Yep, but I can't go to Smoky Mountain Water Park just yet. But I can go to the largest indoor water park in Tennessee. And they just did a $40 million expansion and renovation to the Wild Water Dome. It just reopened a few weeks ago and I am excited to check it out. Now, it's part of the Wilderness Resort, and they also have outdoor water parks as well. Now, the Wilderness is a great place to stay, but just to let you know, you don't have to stay there to visit this water park. But whatever you decide, it's time to go inside. Now, the first new thing I want to show you is the Ridge Runner. It is a 3-story water coaster with tubes that light up, and you can bet if I didn't have to worry about my camera right now, I'd be on it. It looks like so much fun. Now, the second new thing I'm excited about is Kaleidescope Kavern, but I'm going to come back to that in just a second. And by the way, I love these water shoes. If you have never tried water shoes, they are awesome. I highly recommend them. I wanted to come up here and show you how you can go up to the second level and be right there next to your friends and family that are riding the water coaster. And you can watch other people. It's just amazing how it's set up. It's such a great view. Now keep in mind as you watch this that this is January. This is usually the least busy time of the year in the Smoky Mountains, and that makes it an excellent time to come. Now, something they've also done is added a lot of extra seating and extra cabanas. And I really like that there's a lot of different places you can get snacks or eat or drink. So you're never going to be hungry. Okay, now remember this when we were driving by the outside? Well, I'm going to show you how to go down these slides, and it's right here. This is where you'll go, and you just have to go up a few stairs to get to the top. Okay, so it's a lot of stairs. It's totally worth it. Now, the Rocky Top gliders were down for maintenance when I was there, so I did not see anyone riding those, but they look super fun. Also, if you go upstairs to Camp Social, it looks like a wonderful place to have a birthday party. Okay, I have to say, it's time for my favorite reason for coming here, and that is to try out the new Kaleidescope Cavern. It's a lazy river and it is a whole experience. This is a completely unique lazy river tunnel like you have never seen before. It was created by the Moment Factory, which is the same people who created Astrolumina at Inakista. So this tunnel actually has 9 different themes that you might experience when you go through it. You have like a light show going on, you have music playing, and it's different all the time. You can go through it as many times as you want to. And let me tell you, it is so relaxing. It's amazing. I absolutely loved it. So there's really a lot going on here. They also have plans in the future to put some cabins up, some treehouse cabins and different types of cabins that you be able to rent. And they are building right now a rooftop bar and grill with a glass edge pool. And it's also going to include a stage on top. So it's going to be really something to see. So if you'd like some more helpful information about the Smoky Mountains, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, and all of that, go to SmokyMountainStarlight.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.